In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games that get stuck on validating using simple steps that even beginners can follow. Let's start with the basic fixes. First, restart your computer and then restart Steam. This may sound simple, but it often clears temporary issues that cause validation problems. Next, verify the integrity of the game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game and select Properties. Then open Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and fix them automatically. If the issue continues, try clearing the download cache. Go to Steam Settings, open Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart, and this can resolve stuck or corrupted downloads. Another common cause is antivirus interference. Temporarily disable your antivirus and check if the game finishes validating. You can also try running Steam as an administrator to give it full system access. If the game is still stuck in a validation loop, move on to advanced fixes. Go to Steam Settings, open Storage, find the Steam Library folder, click the three dots, and choose Repair Library folder. This helps fix deeper file system issues. You can also change your download region. In Steam Settings, open Downloads and select a different region. Sometimes the current server causes validation problems. If nothing works, uninstall the game completely, make sure all its files are removed, and then reinstall it fresh. This is the last option, but often solves persistent issues. And that's how you fix Steam games stuck on validating. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.